Netcasts you love.
From people you trust.
This is TwiT.
First, so I might as well just hop right into it here. I took all my notes on my app because the app that I am going to be doing is called, let's see here, let me find it on the desktop here. It's called JotterPad HD. Now, there is a free version of it. Here we go. There's a free version of it as well as a paid version. The free version is more or less fully functional, minus a few functions. The paid app is $3.99. I have the paid app here, so I can show that to you. Now, JotterPad HD is a lightweight word processing utility, and you can use it with your touchpad keyboard, or you can use it with an external keyboard, and it becomes, more or less a really easy to use, good looking word processing app. First of all, I have to thank Leif Sikorsky on Google Plus for the tip. He threw this my way and thought I might like it. And I mean, from the second that I opened it up, I was like, wow, this looks really good. It's tablet only, so it's honeycombing up, so you can't get this on the phone, and it's meant to be a tablet app. So I actually made this, made my notes within the app. It's a lightweight, so it's meant for easy, quick changes. It has a clean UI and easy style changes. So if you need things to get, larger or smaller, you can do it really easily, or you can change your font really quick and change it to something that maybe matches a little bit more what you want right off the top. It has built-in search, so you can search through your documents and find elements of that. Undo redo, which is one of what the developer says, one of the top kind of requests for apps like this. And that was kind of his goal, is to create a word processing app that is low on total number of features, but high on the top requested features, so that you get exactly what you want out of something like this. It has something called Time Machine, which you can see down here. It says Time Machine Backups. And this is essentially every time you save your doc, it saves an instance of it, and you can have up to 20 previous versions of your document to restore parts as needed. So if you want to hop into an earlier version of it, let's see here. You can go into the Time Machine, and you can see the two different versions that you have. Go back, and you might be able to cut out a piece of that and copy it into your new one if what you want is to have something from your old version in there. You can export to PDF and TXT, which is kind of nice to allow you to kind of share it in other ways. There's a night mode, so let me go into Edit here and turn on the light bulb. So you can put it into night mode. And, it's easier on the eyes if it's at night. Let's see here. We'll go up here. There are ribbon themes, which I'm not really too clear on these, and I wouldn't use them, but they're basically a way to kind of theme up your word processing. A data backup, you can do a full backup of all of your docs onto your SD card and restore them later if you like. And it's compatible with physical and Bluetooth keyboards, including using things like shortcut keys, Control-C, Control-X, Control-Z are just a few examples of ways to actually use this as if you were using a desktop word processor. I do wish that you could link it or sync it up with Google Docs in some way. It seems like kind of a no-brainer thing to be able to eventually sync, your word processing docs up to Google Docs. Add it, hopefully they add in support for things like bullet points, because I actually wanted to use that for this doc. It would make it easier. And, back up to Dropbox, which you can actually do if you share to Dropbox. You could share your doc and it'll put a copy of it. But overall, I picked it because it's a tablet-only app, and it actually just, it's very simple, but it's elegant looking, and it's pretty solid to use. It's very easy word processing thing to use. I think really this probably sings a little bit more if you have a detachable keyboard. Even if you have like the Bluetooth Apple keyboard and you have it on your desktop, you could easily pair it to this and use it.
Probably great with the Prime, huh?
Oh yeah, no, absolutely. I saw a few comments that were talking about using this with the Prime. So yeah, if you need kind of a lightweight word processing app, this looks good, and the free version is actually, I think the only thing that I could tell from between the free and the paid is the nighttime mode. There has to be another function. Nighttime mode isn't the most, essential function out there. So use the free version and see what you think of it. It's honeycombing up. So if you have a tablet, you should check it out. That is JotterPad HD.
Very cool.
There we go.